I welcome all of you. So let's look at direct variation. And when we talk about direct variation, we're talking about the relation between two quantities such that when one of the quantity is increasing, the other is also increasing. And when one of the quantity is decreasing, the other is also decreasing. So let's look at this example we have here on the board. So the question says, if x varies directly as the square of y and y equals to 5 when x is equals to 100. A, find the formula connecting x and y. B, find x when y is equals to what? 2. So let's look at the question. So we'll have A, solution. So the A part, now looking at this question, we'll have it that x varies directly as square of y. So we're going to have x varies with square of what? Y. Okay? And here, there's a need for us to introduce a constant. So let's introduce a constant. So we're going to have x is equals to ky squared. So let's call this equation 1, where our k is a constant, where k is a constant. Okay? So now, since our x is equals to ky squared, and we are told that y is equals to 5 when x is equals to 100. So let's replace x with 100 and replace y with 5, okay? So we're going to have what? We're going to have 100 is equals to what? Is equals to 5 square k, okay? So this will give us what? 100 is equals to 25k. So divide both sides by 25 to get our k. So we're going to have what? That k is equals to 100 over 25, and this will give us 4. Okay? So for us to find the formula connecting x and y, we need to replace k with 4 in this equation 1. So replace k with 4 in equation 1. So if we do that, we're going to have it that our x is equals to 4y squared. So this is the formula connecting x and y. So let's look at the B part of the question. So we are told to find x when y is equals to 2. So we're looking for x and y is equals to 2. Here, we are going to make use of the formula connecting x and y, which is what? Which is x is equals to 4y squared. We are looking for x when y is 2. So we're going to have our x is equals to 4 times y is 2. So we have 4 times 2 raised to the power of what? 2. So this will give us our x is equals to 4 times 2 raised to the power of 2 is what? Is 4. So our x is equals to 4 times 4 is what? Is 16. So our x is equals to 16. So thank you very much. Our next video will be on inverse variation. Make sure you share this video.